Every empire begins with care and observation. Attention ensures the foundation of quality.
Precision starts before the harvest. Every egg tells the story of care.
Handling preserves potential.
I'm with Jules.
Health is the foundation of excellence.
I know.
Nutrition shapes growth. Environment guides progress.
Hydration maintains vitality. Early life deserves focused attention. Coordination ensures smooth operations.
Organization protects potential. Every step carries promise. Every detail preserves quality. Conditions shape development.
Care becomes structure.
Stability protects potential. And now, life prepares for its next transformation. Every journey begins with careful handling. Traceability secures excellence. Temperature and comfort travel with care.
Every step moves with intention.
Farming meets craftsmanship here. Precision begins at arrival.
Records safeguard reliability. Environment shapes quality.
Standards protect consistency.
Cleanliness protects trust.
Motion carries purpose. Direction defines efficiency.
Balance protects quality.
Uniformity begins with control. Coordination turns effort into excellence. Beyond these doors, transformation begins.
One source, two precise paths.
And now, craftsmanship truly begins. From heat to control, the next stage begins. This is where timber becomes engineered fuel. Discipline guides every step.
Outside, motion never rests.
These lines carry efficiency through the plant.
Safety shapes every move forward.
Beyond these doors, carbon takes form. Here, heat gives way to stability. Timing turns heat into quality. Human focus guides thermal precision. Order defines efficiency. Clean air protects clean production. Visibility shapes precision. Balance locks in structure.
Direction defines the process.
Safety keeps progress alive. Now size begins to define value. Transcription. And here, carbon prepares for refinement. Once shaped by heat, clarity begins. Clean air protects clean product. Nothing is wasted in precision handling. Invisible risks are removed before they matter. Even air becomes a tool of precision. Size defines its destiny.
Human judgment still shapes quality.
Quality never compromises. Consistency is the language of industry.
Data now guides every decision. Balance prepares the way for storage.
Readiness is stored here. Automation turns planning into action. Unity brings strength to process. Human care completes automation. Accuracy waits for material. Precision locks in value. Now the process moves deeper into refinement. Refinement begins where care meets precision. Balance protects quality. Stability shapes excellence.
Form begins with precision.
completes control. Calm completes control. Environment shapes development. Data guides every move. Order builds reliability.
Care becomes structure. Precision protects excellence.
Details define quality.
Conditions refine outcomes.
Accuracy builds confidence.
Consistency becomes character.
Control defines quality.
Readiness shapes the next phase.
When balance is reached, precision flows. Now refinement gives way to scale. Now scale amplifies refinement. Precision multiplies value. Consistency proves control.
Form follows function.
Stability follows care.
Calm completes control. Versatility expands value.
Order defines reliability. Control defines quality.
Order prepares the next phase.
Timing shapes efficiency. Now refinement meets intelligence. Technology now guides motion. Precision moves at machine speed. Timing becomes flawless.
When balance is reached, scale follows.
Order completes preparation. Out of games. And now, technology takes the lead. Intelligence now guides every movement.
Precision moves at the speed of code. Timing becomes flawless.
Machines now guard perfection.
Quality never compromises.
Automation perfects repetition. Accuracy now reaches the final container. Protection is built into every unit. Security surrounds the result. Identity completes the product. Traceability follows every batch. Speed meets consistency. Every unit is now ready for movement. Order builds efficiency. Consistency is confirmed again. Records move as fast as products. When everything aligns, excellence flows. Now the product meets its final refinement. Accuracy now defines the final outcome. Every measure is confirmed. Protection is verified, not assumed. Identity must look as precise as it performs. Traceability follows every unit. Machines now guard perfection. Quality never compromises. Order multiplies efficiency. Every unit is now ready for movement. Stability travels with the product.
Structure defines readiness.
Protection begins before travel. Security surrounds the result. Identity now scales with volume. The journey nears its destination. Movement continues with purpose.
Before release, excellence must be proven.
The final test begins here. Before release, proof replaces promise. Quality begins with careful choice. Here, science verifies consistency. Performance begins with precision. Uniformity builds trust.
Safety defines excellence.
Standards protect confidence.
Protection is verified.
Time reveals durability.
Accuracy protects integrity.
Evidence builds confidence.
Approval is earned, not given.
Quality clears the path forward.
Traceability never ends.
Accountability protects excellence.
Proof now becomes product.
The final movement begins.
The final journey now begins. Every unit moves with purpose.
Order guides every step.
The chain nears completion.
Precision never leaves the process. What was built with care now moves with confidence.
Accuracy follows the product to the end.
Completion feels like precision. Trust is locked in place. Every journey needs its record. The product now carries its story forward.
Endings prepare new beginnings.
From farm to refined product, excellence is visible.
This is how precision moves the world.
From farm to market, innovation leads.
And this is how modern farms deliver ostrich eggs and meat from start to finish.
Built on care, refined by precision.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.